Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video, we are here on our family vacation and we are here at the Aspen Grove Park. So everybody have lunch in here today. Is during lunchtime. So here's my family, my husband and my baby in the stroller. So I just told him I'm gonna take a video really quick, and there's a golf course for the kids, and there's a restroom and a washroom on beside on the restrooms, and I'll show you guys. And there's a golf course on that side, and there's a cornhole they're playing right now, and that one is a basketball court, and all these people is ready for lunch. So we're gonna have lunch today. So I'm gonna show you guys what is the tree around on this picnic area. That's the picnic area. This is where we eat. And there's people there. They're so nice people around here, guys. So this is the tree. It's called aspen tree here in Colorado, guys. So this is what they call aspen tree. So they grow in here in the mountain. So as the tree in here is like color white, as you can see, guys, it's color white. So beautiful, isn't it? It's so beautiful. There's a playground here. There's a playground for kids, and that's a truck for haul or loads all those people if they want to go up there and want to have for a ride tour. And as you can see, guys, there's a big pine tree, the green one, and I'm gonna walk through here in the woods. This is what they call aspen trees. It's like a white, the tree is white and it's a little tiny leaves. So as you can see, guys, this is aspen tree. So beautiful, isn't it, guys? So over there, as you can see over there, over there is a zip line. So I did that yesterday, the zip line. It was cool, and it's really nice in here, guys. Beautiful. So today is our last day for our vacation. So I have more video to upload, and I just wanna take a video what it look like, the view around here. So beautiful, the tree is so beautiful. You can hear the bird are singing. It's a nice day today. For about 2-3 days it's been kind of cold weather and gloomy and rainy days. So today is the perfect days to be outside. So this is what it looks like. So beautiful, Mother Nature's. This is the views. So beautiful. Then after here, I want to show you guys the real beautiful. You can hear the background a little bit of sound of the water drip. Is like a creek. There's a small creek running down here by the zip line area. So I will show you guys here. I'm going that way. This is so beautiful. So there's the creek. It's a small creek in here. So I'm gonna show you guys the creek. Wow, isn't it beautiful, guys? Isn't it? That right there is a zip line cable, and this is a creek. A small creek going there, going through there. take you up there. It's a beautiful creek. So beautiful around here, so peaceful, so relaxing. I love the hair of the sound of the water. I'm going to take you up there. The sound, and that's the mountain in there. As you can hear the sound of the water, so beautiful. There you go. And that is the zip line. You walk it through the cable and you zip line all the way up there, guys. So beautiful. I just love listening to this water. There you go, guys. So that's it, the video for today. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what you think about this video. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.